You've never gone on a skydive before, and right now you're watching this video like, I want a wingsuit. These are the steps you're gonna have to take. It's finally here. Wingsuit. How do you feel about me wingsuiting?
A little nervous.
What could go wrong? All right, so we are just getting started driving to Chattanooga. I thought I would start with talking about some of the questions that people have about wingsuiting. Now, I want to start this video off with saying I am a rookie. I have 230 skydives, and I am just getting to the point where I'm getting more comfortable and start trying free flying and now wingsuiting. So make sure you don't take any straight advice from me on how to do certain things. This is more so just my experience with it and taking you guys along for the ride. With that said, I want to answer probably my favorite question that people will ask about wingsuiting. Yes, wingsuiters wear parachutes. I don't know. You know how many people have asked? There's no landing gears. You don't just fly and just like slide across the grass. You do have a parachute on. You've never gone on a skydive before, and right now you're watching this video like, I want a wingsuit. These are the steps you're gonna have to take. Step one is go get 2 tandems done. Go to your local drop zone. For me, that was Skydive Spaceland Atlanta. Once you get those 2 tandems done, you're going to go into what's called a ground school. That's going to be roughly 4 to 6, 7 hours in a classroom, learning about your emergency procedures, what types of parachute malfunctions there are, and what to do in those instances. And then you're going to go on your first solo jump. Now, your first solo jump, it is raining. Ah! So your first solo jump is going to be with at least 1 instructor, possibly 2, and they're going to hold on to you the whole time. If you are flailing out of control or you're doing something wrong, they're so good at flying, they can flip you back over, they can get you back belly to earth, they will give you hand signals to make sure that you are doing what is safest. Now, after your first couple of jumps, they will start to let go of you, see if you can be stable in the air by yourself without assistance of instructor holding on to you. And then once you have proven to them that you're able to have a nice neutral body position, a good, nice, strong arch, then you're going to start practicing maneuvers like turns, forwards and backwards movement, sliding from side to side. So the requirements to get your A license are those AFF jumps and 25 jump minimum. At Spaceland, they're going to split all of those skills up into 25 jumps, so but by the time you are at your 25th jump, you have been consistently working at new skills and being the best skydiver you can be for being so new. What is the cost of all this? To get your license, it cost me roughly $2,400. That includes all 25 jumps. That includes gear rental, everything you need to get your license. Now, once you have your license, you're going to want to get your own gear. You can rent gear per jump, but that really starts to add up. So I got my own gear at about jump 50. My parachute, everything used, cost me about $4,000. My girlfriend's parachute, Caitlin, her rig was about $4,500. That's fully loaded. Jumps will be about $20 to $28 per jump. And you're going to want to whip out as many jumps as you can, as fast as you can, as safely as you can. Once you hit 200 jumps, that is the recommended minimum amount of jumps before you can start looking into flying a wingsuit. So, oh my God, I've spent so much money. It's worth it. Once I hit 200 jumps, I started looking around for a coach. Luckily, my friend Sam messaged me at the perfect timing saying, would you like to get licensed? And I was like, yeah. So I'm heading to Sam's place now, and then tomorrow morning we have our first flight. It's a rule when visiting a new drop zone or whenever you say the word first or doing the first of anything in skydiving, you owe beer. So, not gonna lie, I'm scared. I'm going to focus on driving now, and I will catch you guys once we hit Sam's RV. All right guys, so I just finished up. The course is done. I am on my way home. How would you say it went?
I think it went okay. You didn't die?
I didn't die, yeah. See, I'll take that, didn't die. Oh, what an amazing experience. Wingsuiting is just crazy. It's hard to put words to it. It's exhilarating, but it's also very relaxing. So let's go ahead and I'm going to start driving home. While I'm driving, you guys enjoy these videos. You will see the progression from jump 1 to jump 4. I'll catch you when I get home and tell you more about how it feels.
One shot, now the future is yours. Go! Yeah, I was building on a lecture. Verses coming daily under pressure. Working on applying the scheme. The true style trademark is at the edge of your dreams. I'm talking one shot for the kill. The breeze cut, freeze up, straight driving the chills. I'm talking taking over pieces and shares. A ball break sky high. Check the movement is here. Yeah. It's one shot, now the future is yours. Go! I'm turning dreams into reality.
Okay, I know I just whipped right past the course and straight into wingsuit videos, but that's because I wanted to fully be there for the course. I wanted to be completely paying attention, not worrying about my camera. And this video is about how you can get to a wingsuit course and take it instead of watching a course through YouTube. How is wingsuiting? Was it what I expected it to be? Honestly, yes and no on a couple of points. Yes, in the fact that it was terrifying when I first, I don't know if you could see how terrified I was in that video, but I haven't been that scared since my first solo jump, and I might have been more scared for this one. Not quite sure why. Just it's a straight jacket and it's so hot. Sitting on the edge of the plane and rolling out was a little more difficult than I thought, but it wasn't that bad. Since then, I've jumped out of a Twin Otter with a bigger door where I can just hop out, and that was far easier. And like I stated before, it was actually pretty relaxing. It was just calm, you know? I was expecting a little bit more of like a yeah experience, but it was just really calm looking around, and you really feel yourself take flight. Since that video, I have worn a larger suit. It's nothing crazy. It's still a very beginner wingsuit, but you definitely feel a big performance boost when even just a little bit of fabric is added to the wings. But to sum it all up, I love wingsuiting. It's a lot of fun. I'm not going to replace all of skydiving with wingsuiting. It's something I'll probably do for beautiful sunsets, or if there's another wingsuiter there. There's really nothing you can compare to it. It was incredible. If you were interested in getting a wingsuit and you haven't done any skydives at all, I really hope this video was informative for you. I know there are plenty of people out there who want to get into it and have no idea where to start. So let me know down below if this helped you out, or any questions you have for a completely new wingsuiter. Any more of the technical questions, anything like that, please reserve it for somebody who is a wingsuit coach, or keep in mind that you're going to be getting an answer from someone like me who is completely new. Thank you guys so much. If you enjoyed the video, please consider liking and subscribing. It would mean the world to me. I really have not been posting much recently, but I want to change that. In my head, I do a video every week in my head. Now I just have to actually do it. And last but not least, thank you Wicked Wingsuits for the wingsuit rental. That was a huge help. Thank you Sam for being my coach. Had an amazing time and letting me stay at your RV. Thank you Skydive Chattanooga for having the first jump course and allowing me to jump there and helping me feel like family. And thank you guys for watching this video all the way through. That's awesome. All right, see you guys in the next video. Peace.